Hey guys, if you are looking to download Adobe Photoshop for free but don't know where to start, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to get started with this amazing software. Before you download Adobe Photoshop on any Windows operating system, you have to go to your Microsoft Store. And I click go to this Microsoft Store actually works like Google Play Store, where you can download apps for free and cost apps. But Microsoft Store downloads apps that is for Windows operating system. To download Adobe Photoshop, you have to search for Photoshop Express. Click on it. When it is searching for, we have to wait for it to load. As you can see, here is the Adobe Photoshop Express. To download it, you have to click on this install button. Be patient, the app will install. When it starts downloading, you have to be patient for it to download. As you can see, the Adobe Photoshop Express is already installed, so I can click here to launch. When you launch the Adobe Photoshop, you can cancel the Microsoft Store if you want. At launch, click here to view. As you are new to this Adobe Photoshop app, clicking next to continue, click next, get started. To get access to start editing with Adobe Photoshop, you need to sign in with your Google. If you log in your account, click continue to continue. So if you want to edit an image, click on your pictures library. So it will take me to my pictures library and I'll continue. When you click on the pictures you want to start, you have to be patient to wait for the picture to come. Now this is the picture I want to edit. I can crop it, I can add some filters, I can add effects and so on. And there you have it.